Hello everyone, today I'm going to color a beautiful princess. She is Princess Belle. I'm coloring her long hairs brown. She is wearing a tiara. Look at her beautiful princess dress. I'm going to color it glittery. She is standing in a garden. Let's color her face now. She is holding a flower in her hand. Do you know the name of the flower which is in her hand? Yes, that's rose. Let's color the rose red. I'm going to color her dress yellow. It's glitter time. Yellow glitters. Look at her shiny, beautiful princess dress. I'm going to color her tiara with red glitters. She looks so pretty. Bye bye, see you next time.